Hello, today we'll show how to add a custom post type. So you have added custom post type using two-way plugin and code. So today we'll show how to add plugin. So click on it, add new, and how to manage the plugin. So go to the add plugin page and type custom post type UI and add the plugin. Okay, this is the first plugin, Custom Post Type UI by WebDev Studios. We have already added and click on it active. Once you have active the plugin, this field will be so CPT UI and click on it add and edit post type. So we'll be create edit on add and we have at learning. This is a slug and we write plural label and singular label. So in the menu will be show the learning. You can additional field. You also will be this year like a post type description, menu names, all items. So you can editable. But we have this is a mandatory field necessary. We have follow this and also select categories and tags for the post types. Click on it add post type. So learning post type will be created here. Learning and click on it. We have add down one post type, one post. So click on it, add new, and add one post. This is a very easy adding a new CPT. CPT is shorthand for custom post type. And publish and view. So this is very easy creating a post CPT for from the plugin. So if you have any query, please comment in comment section. Thank you.